In this video, I'll show you how you can make Nvidia Shadowplay record Discord voice chat. Now the first thing we want to do is we want to come here on Discord, and then we want to head over to our voice and video. In here you want to make sure that your input device and output device are the correct ones. So I'm using my Yeti mic, so this is the default and the correct one for me. If you have other ones in here, make sure you're choosing the one that you are using. Output device, this is my correct speakers, so these are the ones that I'm going to use. After that, what you want to do is come here and search for control panel, go to view by large icons, in here choose sound, and from in here you want to do the exact same. So you want to make sure that your playback right here, your speakers, are the correct one as the same as the Discord one. So default device is the same as my Discord one, and recording my Yeti mic, and it's the same one as my Discord one. Set default on those and make sure that they're turned on. You can do that by going in here and make sure use device right here. Once you've done that, what you want to do is you want to open up your GeForce Experience or your new Nvidia app if you have the updated version. And in here you want to press Alt and Z to open up the overlay. Now I'm using the new Nvidia app. If you're using GeForce Experience, it's gonna be up here somewhere. And what you want to do on here, on the new app, you want to go to settings, audio, and make sure your microphone is the correct one. Now on the GeForce Experience, I believe there's a little settings icon around here on the overlay, and in there you want to make sure that the microphone is the correct one as well. After that, what you want to do is simply turn on the instant replay, and then you can turn it off and then turn it on again and see if it works. And that's basically how you can do it, guys. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.